What's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Kris KeyZ. And today we're going to take another look at Treblo. And we're going to look at the two features that it has to offer. If you look at Treblo, you have a simple option and you have an advanced option. Today, this video, we want to look at the advanced option. We looked at the simple and it generated some really good songs. I like how it brought us in, the simplicity of it. But sometimes it didn't hit exactly on the mark for what we was looking for. So let's try the advanced, and then we can does the simple fit more of our production and our creativity, or does the advanced mode? Now on the advanced mode, I see that it's using more tags. So it looks like it's going to pinpoint or niche down a little bit more of the creativity and how it's going to generate. You have over here some auto tags, but we're going to go without the auto tags, and let's just click a couple tags here and see what it generates. So the sound, let's do a 2020 sound. How about we do dance? Sounds cool. So let's do a dance. We'll do progressive house. Actually, let's do a deep house. Let's take the progressive house out, and let's also do let's see some more. Let's do a good artist. So we just chose 4 tags for right now. And for lyrics, let's say talk about lyrics about a turtle's flying. That's cool. But let's do lyrics about it snowing in Vegas during summer. All right, some cool stuff there. And then we have the style strength. Let's keep that around the same. It's around 450. Maybe we'll boost it up just a little bit. All right. I think that's all the options. We're going to keep this V3 version right here. I think that's the most standard, and lyrics will keep standard. All right, everything looks good. Once again, we're on the advanced version of Treblo. And once again, everything is free on Treblo that we're using. So you get an unlimited amount of generations. You get the downloads once again for free. You get to download the stems. You get the MP3, the waves. All of this is generated absolutely free versus their competitors, which the biggest one is obviously Suno, which now they're changing their platform to where they're gonna charge you for 20, 40, and 60 downloads unless you pay for their premium where you can get unlimited downloads. So let me know, guys, is this a good option for you to switch over to Treblo or to add into your workflow? Once again, I like how they have over here on the side playable 45%. It gives you like the progress in real time. So let's go ahead and start playing. This is Snow on the Strip. Hey.
July on the strip, heat rising off the pavement glow. But the sky turned to ice, white falling like a faded show. Neon towers in a blizzard haze. I was sweating just an hour ago.
I still like to see more layers, maybe like a swell in here, something. Once again, I like once it's fully done generating, it goes to the karaoke mode. And it lets you see how much of the song is left or what part of the song we're in. Now, this is the first time I hear a little top line on the music. That's cool. Just skip through it a little bit. I think I'm having the same issue that I did on the last when I generated using the simple mode. It sucks me in, and I like how Treblo gives you the simplicity of the songs. I think the simplicity sucks us in as a human listener. But what I'm missing is on production, you have layers of songs. Say this is the best way I can explain. You have like layers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's giving me the first 2 or 3 layers when it starts out, which sucks me in. But by the time it gets to the chorus, it just peaks at like a layer of 5 or something. And I feel like I'm missing 2 other layers. And that could be like little intricates of, some little ear candy. Maybe it could be like the converters, maybe the sound quality could be a little bit better so I can hear and feel the music a little bit more. But I just feel like I'm missing something at the peak of the song. It just gets me to a nice little altitude, like 30,000 feet, and then we plateau out. We just stay cruising. I'm like, man, can you bump me up to like 50,000, just a little bit more? I'm missing something in these records. But for the most part, they're still really good. The sound quality, the vocals, the arrangements, on point for sure. So this is the second arrangement, Desert Whiteout. See, I like to hear like some white noise right here. A little swell or something. Maybe a breakdown. Or if this is the pre-chorus, maybe a swell going into the chorus. Just little layers. Some ear candy, something. You see what I'm saying? Like it stayed there. It didn't. The drums came in. Yeah, so I mean the drums came in, the other elements of the song came in, but I feel like I'm still not missing. I'm missing that punch. And once again, I feel like that's something that Suno does a very good job of. It gives you those elements and punch. The other thing Suno does is sometimes overproduce, where this platform right here is going to give you that simplicity. So that's actually a good thing. If you're a producer, once again, you can take these songs and still add your little elements in there. So it's not really creating the whole song. It can, but what I'm hearing as a producer is, okay, what can I use to inspire me to help me finish my production? And once again, we'll upload some songs and see what it can do. But for the most part, I'm still missing a little bit of some layers on the Treblo. Let's try one more. Let's do a country song. Let's make it with a little bit of pop rock. And let's put drums in there, and how about a trumpet? All right. And the lyrics, let's change this lyrics up. Let's talk about let's talk about the turtles flying. Lyrics about turtles flying. Is that what it said? How you spell turtles? Flying in space. All right. And anything else we can add on this? Let's go with the standard. Let's go with the classic on the vocals this time. And let's see what that generates. We'll keep it on still the V3 model. Actually, let's try the V2.2 model. And let's generate and see what it does. And once again, the cool thing about this platform, it doesn't have to be perfect because it's giving you an unlimited amount of prompts. So if something's not exactly where you want it, you can obviously go in. You can go in here and get the stems. Generate the stems. If I like certain parts, I could just generate the stems, get the vocals. I could just get the drums, and then you can go in and add your own elements to it, which is a very cool thing. And once again, this is all 100% free. So that's the cool thing. A lot of times we get these platforms, they're really good, but you start paying for subscription here, and every prompt costs 25 credits here and 30 credits here, and before you know it, you're out of credits, but your creativity is still clicking and you still want to use it. And I think that's where Suno is going to come into a little bit of issue because on their packages, I think they're starting at 20 downloads, which for most of you guys who use AI production, we know that's not anything. So even 60 on their top pro package, I believe it is, that's not that many downloads. But yeah, you can go ahead and get the stems and for free and download right here from Treblo. They don't give you as many options, not as detailed, but once again, it is an option. Or you could take these stems right here, download the song as an MP3 as a wave, import that into something like a Logic Pro X, and then use the Logic Pro stem splitter, which is really good, and it gives you a little bit more options. So many options that you can use. But let me know, is this a tool that you're going to use in your creativity?
Green shells spin as they chase through the stars at their own pace. Nothing holding back their race.
So this is a pop rock country song.
So free.
I don't know about that one. That one was that one needed a little bit of work.
Waves of desire, cosmic calm.
Try this one, Shells in the Stars.
In space, green shells spin as they chase through the stars at their own pace. Nothing holding back their race. Oh, so free. Oh, believe. Galaxies shimmer in their eyes.
I don't hear the
No
trumpet.
gravity, they just fly. Planets swirling by their side, dreaming big, their hearts wide. And every twirl, they're higher, drifting far
There's the
from all the
trumpet.
noise, riding waves of desire, cosmic calm, gentle joy.
Of course.
Turtles flying in space, green shells spin as they chase through the stars at their own pace. Nothing holding back their race. Oh, so free. Oh, believe. Oh, believe.
I would have loved to sample just that last part right there. That was pretty cool. But yeah, I feel like the advanced mode it's a little bit better in some ways, depending on how you use it. I'm gonna continue playing with it and see if I can dig a little bit deeper and get exactly what I'm looking for. Which it looks like they had like even a more advanced option. So yeah, maybe on the next video we'll dive a little bit deeper and see if we can get more out of this generation. But let me know in the comments, guys. Treblo, it's a platform that's competing with Suno. It's a free platform. You get unlimited generations, unlimited downloads, stem splitter. You can upload your songs, your vocals, it auto vocals. It does a lot for absolutely free. But let me know, how do you feel about it? How do you like the simple mode versus the advanced mode? Leave me some comments below. And once again, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and that notification bell. It's your boy Kris KeyZ. Y'all be good. Thank y'all for tuning in. Love y'all. Peace.